We are going to look at JavaScript chaining and, of course, with examples, define the benefits of using JavaScript chaining. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. This is a simple concept of how to reverse an array, or it could be a string or whatever. In this example, we are going to reverse the order of this string. And by doing that, we need to write some code, of course. Now, looking at line 7, we create a variable called string to array. And that string to array is what is going to store the value that we put wherever we call the reverse method or function. So when we do that, we put a dot split that splits all the letters of the word coding into separate letters. Then after that, we now reverse the order by using the dot reverse method. Then of course, let's not forget, once the letters are being reversed, then we need to join them. That is why we have this code called dot join. Then also the syntax. This is the syntax of how to join the code back to the original form. Then we console.log. So in other words, if we check in our console or terminal and run this command, you can see that we are being given the letters in reverse order. Now, the concept of JavaScript chaining is to make your code look cleaner and in order. So rather than us having all of this, let's comment all of this right away so that we can show off our example. Now, to have a cleaner version of this, we can simply do a string dot split. Then the method, you call the method. Then you also do the same for the reverse. Then the method, you call it too. Then last but not the least, the join method. Then don't forget the coding sign. Now, if we console.log, you see that it gives us the same result. Let's do that. Undefined. Okay, we are not doing something right here. Let's see. Okay, we didn't return it. We need to return. We need to return the result of the function. So let's try that one more time. Let's clear the terminal. I'll try that one more time. Bold. The index.js. Okay, we have code in there. We don't have it in reverse. Okay, what could be the problem of this? Let me check that out. I use Kimi instead of ChatGPT. Kimi is a very good AI model. So I'm going to see where my fault is. Let me just copy all of this and paste it over here. So, and let's wait for the response. Let me see what I got wrong. Okay. A string. Comment. Oh, okay. I forgot to put. They said the split with no argument splits the string at every comma. Default separator, not every character. Since coding contains no commas, you can get an array with one element. Okay, fee is given. Let's see. Give split an empty string, so it splits between every character. Okay, we have to create a space between the splits. We have to add a space there. I didn't add the quotes. So let's try that one more time. Let's create a terminal and run the code again. Then we have our string in reverse. So this is beginner friendly, and this is how to start off. I'm starting off with JavaScript, and this is the topic, one of the topics they have in JavaScript chaining. So I've learned this, and I also thought it wise to share with you guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next. Ciao.